Hey guys, it's Warren Nash here, and today we are making beef bourguignon. Now this is a really tasty dish that's full of flavour, plus it makes plenty, which makes it the perfect family meal. Now to start with, take a large casserole that has a lid and place it over a medium heat on the stove. Heat up some olive oil, then add 400 grams of diced beef. Then fry the meat for about 5 minutes until it's browned all over. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain flour and mix it into the meat juices. Also add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and the leaves from 3 sprigs of thyme. Add 1 bundle of bouquet garni, then open a bottle of red Fairtrade wine. Pour half the bottle of wine into the casserole, and it's this that's going to give our sauce a lovely deep and rich flavour. Next, crumble in 1 beef stock cube, then mix the contents of the casserole together until everything's combined. Then bring the pan up to boiling point, then reduce the heat down to a gentle simmer. Replace the lid on the casserole and leave to simmer gently for 2 hours. And meanwhile, we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. So take 300 grams of shallots, peel them and quarter them. Also take 2 garlic cloves, again peel and finely chop. Also take 4 rashers of rindless smoked back bacon and carefully, using a sharp knife, chop into small pieces. And finally take 200 grams of peeled carrots and chop into chunks. Now take a large non-stick frying pan and place over a medium heat on the stove. Heat up a small amount of olive oil, then add to the pan your chopped shallots, 300 grams of button mushrooms, the chopped bacon and your chopped garlic. Then fry these ingredients for 10 minutes, then set aside until there's half an hour left on the meat we have stewing in the casserole. So after 1 hour and 30 minutes, remove the lid from the casserole and you should notice the sauce is starting to thicken up nicely. So with 30 minutes remaining, add the ingredients we've just fried to the casserole along with the chopped carrots. Again, mix these ingredients together until everything's combined and season with a small amount of salt and pepper, only if you think the sauce needs it. Then leave to simmer for the final 30 minutes over a low heat with the lid on. And now after the cooking time, check you're happy with the consistency of the sauce. If you still feel it needs thickening up, simply leave over a low heat with the lid off until it's thickened up nicely. And now simply sprinkle in a handful of freshly chopped parsley and then your beef bourguignon is ready to serve. And as you can see, this is a really simple dish that is simply bursting with flavour. Plus there's plenty to go around, which makes it the perfect family meal.